Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Lash Tech suite tour. I have never filmed a video like this and I've always wanted to, but I just felt like my suite wasn't complete as far as decoration. Honestly, it's still not complete, but we're getting there. It's way further than where I started from. So I feel like now would be a good time to show y'all how my Lash Tech suite looks. Again, it's not finished as far as decoration wise, but it's good enough to show. So in this video, I'll just be giving y'all a pretty quick tour of how it looks. Until then, subscribe to my tribe if you haven't already. Also turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat, baby. Okay, subscribe to the tribe. Oh, before I get into the video, also wanted to tell you if you are lashing, that you should be lashing with consent. And if you're not lashing with consent forms, you better get on it. I have official consent forms on my lash website, www.lashboulevard.com. You can purchase them for $15 right now, but get on it because the price will be going up pretty soon. I also have beauty brand consultations that you can book on the website as well. So if you're a lash technician and you are fresh, like you just took a course and you're wondering what do I do next, you're looking for some guidance, this booking is perfect for you because we go all into that. And if you are a beauty brand and you're at a standstill, you may be feeling like your business is pretty stagnant, then this is also perfect for you too. But enough of my jibber jabbering, we're just gonna get straight into the video now. So here we go. I hope you enjoy. Mwah. I'm gonna give you a quick overview first. And then here's the side, the opposite side. That's the door you come in through when you're coming through the front. Excuse the wallpaper. Wallpaper can be very difficult to hang up, and I felt like I didn't get the hang of it until I started hanging the last few pieces. That was the first piece I hung up on this side of the wall, so you can clearly tell. I'll probably redo it at some point in time. And I also need to redo the bottom. I mean, not redo the bottom, but add a strip to the bottom as well. So yeah, just excuse that. But we're gonna start with this side of the lash room. Here we have my wall, which has a few portraits on it, and then I have 2 mannequin heads to advertise my lash training courses whenever I get clients or people that are interested in becoming a lash tech. We have a candle here. We have some disinfectant, some Lysol wipes. I'm sorry, not Lysol wipes, just antibacterial wipes, alcohol wipes, and then alcohol in the back. And then you get further down, this little nook right here is just where I have another portrait. I have some room spray, some decor here, and then my lighter for when I light my candle right here. We have a chair and a pillow in this nook, and then a little portrait that says follow your dreams. Over here is just my disposable paper that I lay down on my bed after every client, so that they're not like directly sitting on the massage pad. They'll be laying, on this paper. So now we're gonna go over to this side, this area, which is where I lash at, and this is my view. This is my light here as well. And this is my pillow. I have a memory foam pillow. I just got this recently. It also extends to the back of the neck down toward the spine, just for ultimate comfort. I'll have under this disposable paper a massage pad and sheets for extra padding. The massage pad is just for extra comfort for my clients. So here's the remote. You could turn it on, and it has all these different modes. So you can go into mode 1, mode 2, which is a constant vibration, mode 3, which is a bit stronger and it pulses, 4 and 5. You can also change the intensity, so you can have medium intensity, low intensity, or high intensity. I usually keep it between medium and low. It also has a heating portion, so it becomes a heating pad, which is very great for the winter time. So yeah, turn this off. But yes, that's the massage pad. On the bottom of the bed, I also have a blanket for my clients that may get a little cold, as well as a bolster that they can like adjust to wherever they want to sit. Here is my phone holder. I have my phone sitting right here so that I can keep up with any text messages that I'm getting, like if I have a client waiting or anything like that. I have my tweezers here. These are the main tweezers that I use. They're my favorites. And I just keep them in these nooks after cleaning them. My lash primer that I use by Bielian, I believe you pronounce it. My glue that I use. Some tape. And 2 lash sleeves. So you see a few stains on here because it is marble, but I promise it's not dirty. It's just glue marks. And you know, glue is very hard to get off of products whenever you're using them. So yep, here goes the lash bit again. Now transitioning to over here, which is my trolley area, I have this lash organizer here, and I just got this as well. It organizes my Q-tips, cotton balls, micro stop brushes, mascara wands. I keep my oil in here, over here, some extra glue, my lash cleanser over here that I use by my Lash brand, some more tweezers in the back, a water bottle of spray water, some hand sanitizer, extra tweezers. Down here in the drawers of my trolley are just lash trays, extra products to keep my cotton balls and all this stocked, some barbicide, face masks. Not really much to see inside of the drawers. It's really just extra stock of things. But again, I will be doing a video listing my must-haves, my favorite lash products, and like a few tips and tricks, and exactly where I got everything from. This just isn't the video for that because I don't want it to be too long. I just want this to be like, you know, a quick lash suite tour, so that y'all can like have a good overview of how my suite looks and like, you know, get any ideas if you want. Over here on this stand, I have my barbicide tray, which is what I clean my tools with. So inside is barbicide water, and then I go ahead and sit my tools in there for 10 minutes. Well, first I clean them with soap and water, and then I sit all my tools in here, let them sit for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I take my tools out, I rinse them with water very thoroughly, and then I dry them and put them all away. So yeah, this is very, very convenient. This is my speaker that I use to play music. Right here, I always get questions about this. This is my magnifying lash lamp. So when I'm lashing, if I want to see like really close a client's eyes, I could just like adjust the magnifying lamp so that it shows me exactly what I'm trying to see, exactly what I'm trying to look at. Then we have this wall over here, which is where I have my display of my lash shampoo that I sell on my site if you're ever in need of lash shampoo, and then also the lash serum that I sell, but these bottles are empty because I need to go ahead and fill them. This is the brow tint that I use. I don't sell this on my site, but it is by Candy Brow Bar. So if you're looking for a nice brow tint to use on your clients, then definitely check out candybrowbar.com. They have very good brow tints. And then up here is some more decoration. This is the side of the wall that the wallpaper came out the best on, so I'm proud of this side. The other side now is a struggle. And then this wall over here, I'm actually not done decorating this wall. I put up my grass wall, but I definitely want to hang a few shelves up here. I'm trying to debate if I want to get just a shelf right here and then a shelf right here, or if I want the long standing shelves that extend from the ground up on both sides. So I'm debating. And then this side here is another grass wall, a stand to hang your jackets and your purses up, because I never want my clients to have to put their jackets and purses on the floor, so they can just hang them on the stand. This is the bathroom, really quickly. Just a nice cute little bathroom. And then here is the front, my front desk. This is the door that my clients come through whenever they're coming through the front. And then for my new clients, I just have them sit at this desk and fill out a consent form right there. I keep all my documents and everything in this little mini file case here. Hand sanitizer there. After they're done in the front, they come around to the back. So to come and get their lashes done. So yes, there you have it. That's my Lash Tech Suite tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty simple, but also a subtle glam, which is pretty much my style. I'm gonna be doing a dedicated video to the top products that I use when I lash. So that's the video to look forward to when you wanna, like, if you're wondering exactly where I got all these things from. I'm gonna be giving direct links in the description box in that video so that you can just go and purchase them for yourself if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me stop playing with my hair. I'm gonna play with my hair so much. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my tribe if you haven't already, and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat. If you have any other lash tech related videos, business related videos, entrepreneurship, girl boss, whatever type videos that you want me to film, then go ahead and leave that in the comment section. Let's chat it up. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all. Mwah.